Hi and welcome back. I was searching through my old cameras and I found this Helios lens. It's supposed to be quite good. It has an f rating of 2 and it has an M42 thread here, and my Nikons use an F mount. I ordered the adapter for this from China, but I can't wait. So I have this extra body cap, and I was thinking if I could drill a hole through this and thread this here, so I could use this lens. Let's try. Yeah, so here you have it. It's not perfect, but it does the trick. Camera and lens. And it goes like this. Looks pretty weird because of the old lens in the new camera, but I think it's kind of cool looking. New school versus the old school. So this is the f2 lens, and it's 58 millimeters. It has a really good bokeh. I'm gonna take a few shots and edit it in here. So thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Bye.